A city where dreams are made, big business deals are struck, and a city that never sleeps, that's Mumbai for you. But if you're traveling on work to Mumbai all by yourself, the last thing you should feel here is boredom. So join me as I sift through the 10 most liveliest things in Mumbai to do. Hello and welcome to Mumbai. We're the gateway of India, Mumbai's most historical monument. And perhaps just like us, a starting point for most visitors who want to experience the city. If your hotel is in South Mumbai or then has early meetings in this area, take a detour towards the Queen's Necklace or Marine Drive. Safe for women all by themselves, Marine Drive is not too far from the gateway of India. This is Marine Drive, one of the most busy roads in Mumbai. If you come here and have the energy, remember to take a stroll and experience what most South Mumbaikars experience. Fresh air, the sea breeze, and of course the sea view. Mumbai has so many things to see and so many activities. Then how do you sift through all that's available and use your time in this city wisely? This is where I come in, so let's start chalking out 10 things you can do. This is Crawford Market, once a local town during the rule of the Britishers. This was an old British fort but has now been rechristened as Phule Market. It's popular with all those who want to get their hands on some smuggled goods. My walk down Marine Drive has worked up quite an appetite for shopping, with Mumbai's Crawford Market known for all its wholesale products. Now remember one thing, that unlike any other city, here all the lanes connect to something or the other you may want. Whether it's crockery, pottery, flowers, mountains of fruits and vegetables, poultry, meat, fish, you name it. And you have smuggled goods. Let's get started. भैया ये क्या है?
संतरा है.
संतरा है. This actually looks like anar or pomegranate, but what's interesting is that it's in a pot. और कौन से फल हैं? Isn't this interesting that at Crawford Market you can pick up mangoes on a stem, pomegranate in a pot, and then a tree full of pears. ये अम्मा ताजा है. कितने का है? 12 एक पैकेट. It's surprisingly really sweet. 20 रुपए का दोगे दो? 20 रुपए का दो. I'm sure I could have got it cheaper, but then I'm a tourist and I have to pay a little more. If your meetings are towards North Mumbai and you have a few hours or even an hour in between for a shopping spree, then Bandra, the so-called queen of the suburbs, is the place to visit for some amazing bargains. Linking Road joins Bandra to Khad and is lined up on both sides with fancy showrooms. But the striking contrast here are the pavements selling shoes, bags, cheap clothes which add to the thrill. ये जूती दिखाना भैया. कितने का है? 350. पर यहाँ तो सबने बोला कि चीप मिलता है. कितने का दोगे? 325. 250. Now these shoes that I'm buying for 250, these jutis rather, you just have to walk down this road where you hit the expensive shops. You'll find the same thing at over 1,000 rupees. नहीं बेटर लग रहे हैं. ये दिखाना भैया रोल अप. कितने का है? 850 तो महंगा है. 500. 500. 550. 550. 600. So for 895 and I've brought him down to 600. So this is a little tip for all of you visiting this lane. Remember to bargain, because these jeans can cost you the earth in a proper store, and they probably landed up from here. There.